What's up, Blockheads? Working on the Low Rider S, and this is one of those mods that should be one of the very first modifications that you do to your motorcycle. The reason this should be one of the very first, even though it's not one of my very first, got the sissy bar on there, but definitely took priority, and that is lighting. So basically, better lights, brighter lights, make you more visible on the road, which means people can see you more and it's safer, right? So functionality, way safer, brighter, you can see better, and added perk is it looks good too. So what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna be installing some lights here. They're basically LED switchbacks, so they are running lights and they're white, but then whenever you hit the indicator, they are amber. And they are from Rogue Rider Industries, so longtime partner of the channel. If you guys want some of these lights and some of these lens covers, be sure to check out the link down in the description below. But yeah, we're just gonna install these things really super quick. All you need, flathead screwdriver and the parts. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, so this is what they look like stock. And when you have the bike on, headlight's nice. Stock LED. Gonna be hazards here. All right, so they're basically amber all the time. So take these lenses off. That's where you need this. I've done this video before, so we're just gonna breeze right through it. Flathead, there's a little notch right there, so just get the flathead into that, pull that off. Set that over there. Bulb, you press in, turn counterclockwise. That comes out. Remember where those, like the posts are? So you basically got one of the posts that is at about the 1 o'clock position, 1 to 2. Probably the same with this, I would assume. Oops. All right, so the posts on this one are about the 3 and 9 position. Then we are going to take the new LEDs, so like I said, 3 and 9 on this side, so place those posts, 3 and 9, in and turn. I'm gonna say this one was like 2, right? 1, 2 o'clock, in and turn. So before putting the lenses on there, we're gonna make sure these work. So turn the bike on. Bam, Jesus, that is so surprising how bright those are every time. And then hitting the hazards. Look how much brighter that is. It's ridiculous. Now, let's put the lenses on. So, God, I'm seeing spots. So just gonna take these, turn them clockwise or counterclockwise. Basically, you wanna tuck the coil that wire up behind it. Put the lens over it. You wanna make sure that little notch is kind of off to the side or facing down. All right, there you go. So you might have a little bit of trouble getting these in. Here's what I'm gonna show you guys a little trick. So whenever you're coiling this wire, you wanna make sure that it goes up and around one of those posts and not like on it, because that, I mean, you lose a little bit of space. So you wanna go up, kind of around the post, right? And then just, you want the light to set pretty much flush. So like that right there, you see how it's more recessed? That'll give me room to put the cap on. There we go. Easy peasy. Totally changes the look. And when we turn it on, looks freaking great. Hazards, switchbacks, right signal, left signal. And the awesome thing about these, and I always say it from Rogue Rider Industries, is these actually go amber on, amber on, amber on. They don't have a halo, so all of the LEDs are lit up, adding to brightness, adding to visibility. Same with the indicator, so they all turn to amber. You basically have 0 downtime that it's off. So it doesn't switch off and then come back. You don't have just the halo like on some other manufacturers. That's it. They look great. Anyways, shout out once again to Rogue Rider Industries. You guys be sure to check them out. I'll drop the link to their site down in the description below. First mod you should do to your bike, because it looks freaking great. And like I said, visibility plus aesthetic. So safer plus badder-asser looking. Badasser? Badasser? Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Hit that bell icon also, so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Until next time, you guys ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. Catch you guys in the next one.